Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out by the Vineyards Toll Plaza in Clarendon. This is Highway 2000 East-West leg that takes you from Kingston to Mandeville. This is the Vineyards Toll Plaza. This section of the road is actually called the PJ Patterson Highway. Now they are expanding the toll plaza. Currently it has 8 lanes and they are putting in a 9th lane straight ahead. Now this is probably the second busiest toll plaza in Jamaica. Portmore is the busiest and the largest toll plaza in Jamaica, but this is the second busiest, and as you can see there they have a line and it can take sometimes up to half an hour to get through this toll plaza. I'm not kidding. Guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments and tell us about your experience going through these toll plazas. If you ask me, they need to put in more than one more lane. But this new lane will bring it to 9 lanes at the toll plaza. And there you can see they are excavating. That structure that you're looking at there now is actually a chicken farm. That's private property. But right here is where they are putting in a new lane. Alright guys, just giving you an update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.